So we had lovely songs, lovely dances, speeches, recitation. Each assembly becomes richer than the previous one. But few more things if we ensure, our assemblies will still become better and better. So I look forward to assemblies with all these good things, but time factor should also be kept in mind. A good assembly is the one which should take not more than 25 minutes at the maximum. In future assemblies, classic, just please ensure that you can either have a song or a dance or a skit. Skits are also a very good means to put across your ideas. So for your future assemblies, all the classes, all class teachers, please take up good topics for short skits also, which should not be more than 3 to 4 minutes skits. In case there is something very special, you can take permission and have the skit for a longer time also. But in general, I'm speaking, your skits should be put across within 3 to 4 minutes of time. So I hope with all these things, we'll make our future assemblies better and better in the days to come. Thank you so much.